Staying top of mind in real estate is of great significance and has great rewards if you figure out the magic code for doing so. Hi, I'm Janice MacMillan, broker for Signature Choice Realty here in Valdosta. So, what are you doing to be the first person someone thinks of when they're buying or selling a home? Here are a few tips to help you stay top of mind and relevant in today's ever-changing market. Tip 1. Have a solid, visible online presence. An active presence on websites and social media is essential. Be sure that all digital touch points are optimized for social responsiveness. Tip 2. Email marketing is one of the best strategies for building client relationships. Collect emails from your website and database and send your email subscribers the stuff they're looking for. Notices about upcoming open houses, market reports, and community events. And tip 3. Everyone wants to know that the person they're hiring is someone they can trust. Testimonials will do just that. Showing that people who have used your services endorses you means the world to potential clients. When a home buyer has had a great experience with you, reach out to them and ask for a testimonial. Post these testimonials to your website and to social. I hope these tips help you stay top of mind with your potential clients. If you'd like to discuss more on how to stay relevant in today's market and how Signature Choice Realty can assist you, give me a call at 229-834-0946. I look forward to hearing from you.